anyway, this is not bad for 200 kroner to get all these things. This is mine, of course. And you have this, you have that, this, screen protector, and you have the charger. You know, you will have to buy it. This is yeah, this is another. Hey guys, this is Twinsies and welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, Stephanie, what are we going today?
We're gonna unpack my material that I buy in TEMU. It's my first time, so
yes. And before we're going to do that, to those who haven't subscribed, subscribe now and click the notification bell so that you will be updated to all the videos that we're going to share. So yes, actually Stephanie, we had a fight because of this, and it's her first time to order online. She's 18, so she's now, you know, having control of her finances. And yes, the first thing she did is shopping online. The last ounce of her money, she used it online. And yes, it arrived today. And when we come back from the store, because we went there to buy groceries, and now it's on her hand. So open it, Stephanie.
I buy this one.
Oh, she's happy already. What did you buy?
This one. This one is for something.
What is it called?
It's for yarn for toys.
Okay.
And it's also for toys.
How many colors did you buy?
I just buy two.
One blue, one
and then,
green.
Yeah, I also buy this, the new one.
The new one? So then it means you have to return the white, my AirPod.
And then I buy this one. Thing.
Ay, wow, that's
yeah,
nice.
Because maybe my mom also gonna use it. That she wants to borrow or yeah.
This is a nice one. This is a set of
what call the name?
hooks for knitting. Not for knitting, but for crochet. It's made of metal. And it's really nice actually. Next.
And then this one, I don't know why I buy that. No, I forget.
This is really the reason
yes.
why I am so a little bit pissed off, because I don't know if she knows what she's buying online. And you know about
it's like a Bluetooth. You can have put it in the glass.
Bluetooth?
Yeah, you can have a light. I think it's a Bluetooth. You can have in a phone. Many color though. I think
it's not Bluetooth, but maybe you can have change the color maybe to your phone. Not sure.
Yeah.
Yes, next will be.
I don't know what it is.
What is that, Stephanie?
I don't know. I think the case. I don't know.
Maybe this is the. No, I know. It's the screen protector that you order.
And then this
you order online. You don't know what's inside.
I forget what I ordered though.
How do you do it? Is it empty? Then you have to open that one. What's inside?
Oh yeah. This is for the
what?
This one.
Oh, the charger.
The charger of the AirPods. Okay. I can open the AirPods first.
Of course. But and I hope that is working.
I wish. Because I like the color though. Hindi picky.
Okay. What's inside? Can you look? Wow. Kamusta? Ah, nice AirPods. Yeah.
Yeah. You can have here Bluetooth, the easy one.
Wow, and there's like something.
Yeah.
Can you see?
The small one, but it's okay.
Yeah, but it's right now. It's also like
you can have call,
there is
batteries, 6 hours.
Yeah, but there is like a timer. How many percent this is?
Ooh, that's a good though. I like that one.
This is 81% now. Ah, cool. Next.
It's a waterproof.
Waterproof also.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I take one?
Yeah, can borrow.
How can you? I don't want to destroy. Okay, then maybe you have to return. It's the same color as as my headphone. Maybe a little lighter. Yes. And the next one will be this one. I wanna open. No, this one first. I wanna see what's inside. Video unboxing also. Let me show. Can you show me? Yeah. I don't really understand why she buy this online. Just because of the light, you know, looks can be deceiving. And I hope that she can use this because normally I have only one lamp here, but I can use it. I can use it. I mean, she can use it into her room. We'll see.
So like a color, you can have pink, red,
Yeah. Let's put it inside.
Uh,
You can use it in the lamp.
yellow, green, and blue, and some
Next.
brightener. And this one.
With the the rest is so given, the yarn. Two different color. Slowly, there in the top also you can open. You cannot just pick on it. How you will see it inside. I think it's a screen protector. I'm not sure. One more in the side, in the loom.
Yeah.
What's that? It's the next is I wanna see. Open.
Yeah, it's too sticky. I love this one.
Let me see. Let me see. How many is
Three.
Three. I knew it. It's,
And how like?
it's a screen protector.
I will see.
But it is for what phone? This is for what phone? I knew it.
Yeah.
This is a screen protector for what phone?
Pro Max.
Then you
15 Pro
cannot
Max.
use it unless you're gonna sell it. I'm not
Yeah.
sure. So that's it.
It has all.
And it's, why is charging? This is 78%. I just don't know. It's supposed to be 80 plus something percent. Maybe the battery of this is 78%. We're gonna read the instruction. But these are the things that
This is for the
you
thing.
bought online.
Yeah.
So that's all. That's it. I hope that you're happy. Luckily, it arrived home. And yes.
A new one. Yes. Bye bye.
Bye-bye already. What are you gonna say? Thank you,
Thank you
guys.
for my.
Thank you for your...
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Anyway, this is not bad for 200 kroner. Is it? No, 250 kroner something?
Yeah.
Or 290. But new charger, a set of crochet, what do you call this thing? Hooks. And two garn. One, of course, one bulb. And AirPods. And screen protector for 230 or 200, let us say 250 kroner. Not bad. Because this one here, if you buy it, it's pretty expensive, of course.
Yeah.
And if you want the cheaper one, of course, it is not a good one. I hope this is durable.
Yeah.
This one I like. Because here, in Norway alone, this one cost, the cheapest cost 299, right, Stephanie?